Hello viewers. First at all, I am very thankful for watching my videos which are related English grammar. As you know that I have started Bidways English Learning channel to introduce you about basic knowledge of English grammar in simple language. From my first video to till today, I have informed you alphabets, word, sentence and parts of speech. Now I am giving to you advanced information in details about noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. In my last video, I have explained the noun, its definitions, its types and its uses in the sentence. I also introduced to you the gender, the number and the noun case. Dear viewers, today I am going to explain the pronoun, its types and uses in various sentences. So, without wasting time, let's go to learn the pronoun in details. See, in English, there are 7 pronouns: I, he, she, it, we, you, and they. The pronouns are classified the following groups. The first, the personal pronoun. The personal pronouns means refer to specific a person or thing. Their form changes to indicate a person, number, gender and case. Now let's see uses of personal pronouns. The first use of the personal pronoun is it is used subjective. Personal pronouns. These are the pronouns that act as the subject of a sentence. The pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we and they. These are called personal pronouns. Now see some examples. Number 1, I and he are going to market. You showed up late. She was annoyed. We have given the copies. They kicked the ball into the net. It was your day. Now look carefully at the given examples. How the pronouns are used as a subject. In first sentence you can see I and he. These pronouns are used as a subject in the sentence. Then you. See, the pronouns are printed in colors. Now let's see the second use of the personal pronoun. Objective personal pronouns. These are the pronouns that act as an object of a sentence. See the pronouns which work as an object in a sentence. The pronouns are you, me, him, her, it, us, and them. These are the personal pronouns which are used as an object in a sentence. Now look at the examples. First, he made me a captain of the team. Raj gave her a golden necklace. I told him that secret. Tom has broken it. Teacher teaches us grammar. We shall call you later. Now, all these examples, you can observe how personal pronouns are used as an object in a sentence. In first sentence, he made me a captain of the team. In this sentence, me, it is a personal pronoun used as an object in the sentence. Now let's see the third use of the personal pronouns, that is possessive personal pronouns. These are the pronouns that show the possessions. Possessive pronouns are my, mine, your, yours, his, her, its, our, and ours. Now let's see some examples of possessive personal pronouns. Is this book yours or his? All the notebooks are mine. Nobody house has as many as books as theirs, not even ours. Now, in these three examples, see how possessive personal pronouns are used. Now, see the second type of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. These pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out a thing or a things commonly used in spoken language. Now see this and these. This and these refer to things that are nearby in a space or time. That and those things that are farther away. या दर्शक वाचन सर्वनामामध्ये धिस आणि दीज ही दर्शक सर्वनामे जवळचं अंतर, जवळची गोष्ट दाखविण्यासाठी वापरतात. या उलट दॅट आणि दोज ही दूर अंतरावर असलेल्या गोष्टी किंवा वस्तू दाखविण्यासाठी दॅट आणि दोजचा वापर केला जातो. See some examples. This is my classroom. These are beautiful flowers. That was my car. Those are cows and buffaloes. Now see the third type of pronouns, that is reflective pronouns. See reflective pronouns: myself, himself, herself, yourself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. रिफ्लेक्सिव्ह प्रोनाउन्सला मराठीमध्ये निजवाचक सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. व्हेन द ॲक्शन डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट अफेक्ट्स or reflects or react upon the subject, they are called reflexive pronouns. Now see some examples of reflexive pronouns. She cut herself. The computer restarts itself every day. He allowed himself to get ready. We have done ourselves it. You made yourself these mistakes. या 5 उदाहरणामध्ये herself, itself, himself, ourselves, yourselves, these are called reflexive pronouns. Now see the next, emphatic pronouns. इम्पटिक प्रोनाउन्सला मराठीमध्ये दृढवाचक सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. इम्पटिक प्रोनाउन्स आर पर्सनल प्रोनाउन्स यूज्ड फॉर emphasis. The suffixes self and selves are added to various personal pronouns for emphasis. Examples: I did it myself. She herself cooked the food. They themselves saw an accident. We ourselves finish the work. You yourself can do it. In these 5 examples, see myself, herself, themselves, ourselves, yourself. These are emphatic pronouns are used here. Now see the next pronouns, that is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns ला मराठीमध्ये अनिश्चित सर्वनाम असे म्हटले जाते. Indefinite pronouns used to denote persons or things in a general way. Words like all, some, few, everyone, everybody, nobody, many, and none, etc. These are several indefinite pronouns. Now see some examples of indefinite pronouns. First, all the enemies were killed. Nobody will help you. Everyone is ready to go there. Everybody was present in the class. In these 4 examples, some indefinite pronouns are used: all, nobody, everyone, everybody. Now see the next type of pronouns, that is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns ला मराठीमध्ये संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. Relative pronouns are used to join together two sentences. Now see the words which are called relative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, what, and that. These are several relative pronouns. Now see the uses of relative pronouns. Who, it is used as a nominative case in the sentence. Whose, this relative pronoun used in the sentence as a possessive. And then whom, this relative pronoun used in a sentence as an objective case. What and which, to animals or inanimate things. That, this relative pronoun used for who, whom, or which. Now let's go to see some examples of relative pronouns. First, he is my friend who works in a factory. This is Tom, whom I wanted to meet. I believe what I saw. This is the cat which we bought. We saw a man whose head was bald. This is our house that is built my father. In these 6 examples, you can see how relative pronouns are used to connect the sentence. Dear viewers, here I have tried to explain the types of pronouns. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. अजूनही आपण बिडवेज इंग्लिश लर्निंग चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर कृपया सबस्क्राईब करावे. गुड बाय. सी यू.